is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Redmi 5, the successor to the very famous Redmi 4, and just like recent Redmi devices, this one too comes in a red box which looks absolutely stunning. Inside the box you get normal Xiaomi stuff. That means these days you get a case, which is a good thing because finding new cases for new phones is a bit of a tough job. That's why it's good that companies are including cases in the box. You also get the handset itself, and I got the black one over here which looks absolutely stunning, and it is the best color out of the 4 colors available out there. So there is gold, rose gold, lake blue and black, and in my personal opinion black looks the best. And other than the handset and the quick start guide, you also get a wall adapter and a charging cable. That's it. You don't get earphones, but that is okay because considering the price, Xiaomi is offering a lot over here. The wall adapter isn't a fast charging one, it is a basic wall adapter. That's why do not expect fast charging out of the box. Now let me go ahead and set up the device. As it is the first boot, it might take some time. Here we go. The setup is done and the device is ready to use. Now as you can see, if we go into about phone and in the Android version, this one comes with Android Nougat 2, which is a letdown because Android P beta version is already out here and this phone is using Nougat, which is a very big letdown. Xiaomi should have introduced Oreo at launch, but they did not do so, and I just hope that they will launch Oreo very soon for this phone as well as for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. But anyway, apart from that, the device is very good when you hold it in your hands. It is very slim, and as Xiaomi advertised that it is the slimmest Redmi ever, I totally agree with them. It is very slim and very good to hold in your hand. Now let me give you a quick overview of the specifications. So the Redmi 5 comes with a Snapdragon 450 processor, which is an octa-core processor. It is very new, it is from Qualcomm, and it works very fine. Also, this one comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. There are also two more options, one with 2GB RAM and 16GB storage, and the other one with 4 and 64. According to me, the 332 is the best variant and it is total value for money. The price of the 332 is 9,000 rupees, the one for 216 comes for 8,000 rupees, and the one for 464 comes for 11,000 rupees. Other than that, if you go towards the camera, the rear camera is a 12 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2 and the front camera is a 5 megapixel sensor. So overall, this phone is very good when it comes to the price of rupees 9,000. It is not a significant upgrade from Redmi 4, but yeah, it is an upgrade in terms of the display, the internals and the camera. So now the display is 18:9, which is very good. It is a 720p panel, but that's okay considering the price point. Now I will be testing this device continuously for the coming weeks. That's why stay tuned to the channel because I will be uploading videos about this phone regularly. Now about that giveaway. One of you guys have a chance to win this phone right here. Yeah, this phone right here, you can win this phone. All you have to do is go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link is available in the description box below. You have to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. There will be a post right after I upload this video. You have to go ahead and see that post. All the details about the giveaway will be over there. That's why make a note, you follow me on Instagram if you want to win this phone. So anyway, that's been it. I'm done. As I mentioned before, I will be testing this device continuously. That's why stay tuned to the channel and hit the subscribe button down there. If you like this content, then go ahead and smash that like button and also leave your comments in the comment section down below. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.